betrayal. It's one of the deepest wounds we can experience. And I want to acknowledge just how heavy and complex it feels. Whether this betrayal comes from a partner, a friend, or someone you trusted deeply, the pain is real. It's not just about the action that caused the hurt. It's a feeling of being deceived, manipulated, or abandoned by someone you never imagined could do such a thing. It's the disorienting sense that the foundation you've built, the love and the connection you thought you had, is now cracked or even shattered. If you're listening to this, you may be in the middle of that pain right now. I want to start by telling you that it's okay to feel the way you feel. It's okay to be angry, to be hurt, and it's even okay to feel confused. The emotions you're experiencing are normal reactions to something deeply unfair. Betrayal doesn't just affect your relationship with the person who wronged you. It also shakes your relationship with yourself. You might find yourself asking, how could I have not seen this coming? What did I miss? But those are the wrong questions, and I want to explain why. You didn't miss anything. Sometimes we put so much trust in people we believe in, and that's not a weakness. It's part of what makes us human. Trusting others is a beautiful thing, but when that trust is broken, the pain can feel like a physical wound, one that lingers long after the event itself. But just because the pain is intense doesn't mean you're powerless. You will heal. But healing from betrayal is a process. Every step forward is progress. It's a journey that requires compassion, and most importantly, self-care. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to fix everything in a day. It's okay to take the time you need to understand your feelings, to process your emotions, and to rebuild your trust in yourself and eventually in others. In the beginning, though, it's hard to even imagine a future where this betrayal doesn't consume every thought. Sometimes, the more you think about it, the more confusing it gets. I want to tell you this. There's no one explanation that will ever fully make sense of why someone would betray your trust. Sometimes, betrayal happens because of that person's own unresolved issues, insecurities, or failures, not because of something you did. At this moment, it may seem impossible to move forward or to forgive. And it's important to acknowledge that forgiveness, if it ever comes, is a choice, not an immediate requirement. It's okay if you're not ready to forgive yet. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the wrong that was done to you. It doesn't mean that you have to let that person back into your life. What forgiveness can offer in time is freedom, a way for you to release the hold that this betrayal has over your heart and mind. But again, only if and when you feel ready. It is something you do for yourself, not for the person who hurt you. In the meantime, what's most important is focusing on you. What you're experiencing right now, this feeling of betrayal, is a trauma. And it's a trauma that requires care and nurturing. You may need to take time away from the person who betrayed you to create distance and protect your emotional well-being. You may need to lean on your loved ones or seek professional help to process the hurt in a healthy way. Healing from betrayal often means retraining your heart and mind to trust again. But first, you must learn how to trust yourself. One of the most empowering things you can do is to focus on restoring your own sense of self-worth. Betrayal has a way of making you question your judgment, your value, and your worth. But I want to remind you that you are worthy of trust, love, and respect. The betrayal you experienced doesn't define who you are, nor does it diminish your value. In fact, in overcoming it, you'll become even stronger. Stronger in your boundaries, stronger in your sense of self, and stronger in your understanding of what you truly deserve in relationships. Take time to remind yourself of your strengths. Even in the midst of this pain, you are still the person you were before this happened. Your kindness, your integrity, your sense of loyalty, those are the parts of you that matter. Betrayal may make you feel like you've lost something, but in reality, it's the person who betrayed you who's lost something. They've lost the trust and respect of someone who is capable of great love. And that is not something that can be easily replaced.
Hey everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and taking care of your mental health is a brave and important step. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and we can support each other in this community. Take care of yourself. And remember, each day is a new opportunity for growth and healing. Until next time, be kind to yourself and keep shining bright.